my name is Chris. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 2169, count operations to obtain 0 in JavaScript. Alright, so we're given two variables, num1 and num2, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to, if number of num1 is greater or equal to num2, then you subtract num2 from num1. Otherwise, subtract num1 from num2. We need to count the number of times that we need to do this in order for one of these numbers to be 0, right? So if we're given these two variables, our output is 3. That's because the first time around, we're going to do 3 minus 2, and so that's going to make num2 1 and num1 2, and then we do 2 minus 1. That makes them both 1, and then we do 1 minus 1. That gives us 0, right? So it's 3 operations. Here they're both 10, so we just do 10 minus 10. You get 0, so you have 1 operation. Alright, so let's grab these variables here. Paste that in the code pen. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now let's create our function. And we'll call it func. And we're going to create a couple of variables here. We're going to say 1 equals num1. Let 2 equals num2. That way we can change those. Let count equals 0. That's going to keep track of the number of operations. Then we're going to create a while loop. And we're going to say while 1 and 2 are greater than 0. We're going to run this code. So once one of these reaches 0, we stop this while loop. And we're going to say if 1 is greater or equal to 2, what we do is we subtract, or we reset 1 to 1 minus 2. If that's not the case, we do the opposite. 2 equals 2 minus 1. And then we need to increment count for every time we go through the while loop. So we do that. And at the end, we return count. Now let's, that's the console. We should see a 3. Okay, why isn't this working? What did I do wrong here? Oh, return. There you go. And you get 3. Cool. All right, let's copy all this code. Move over to Leetcode. Paste it in. Format it and submit it. There you go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.